Hi, I'm Chad Lauer, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a real estate investor, and I've been buying investment properties for the last 7 years in and around Kansas City. I've helped many sellers by purchasing their homes. I've wholesaled some, rehabbed a bunch, including some major projects. On my channel, I will be posting videos about automating your real estate investing business, wholesaling, online and offline marketing strategies, generating motivated seller leads, and acquiring deeply discounted properties. Every single Tuesday, I'll be posting these videos, so make sure you tune in. You'll learn how to scale up your real estate investing business and take it online from my channel. Be sure to subscribe for new content and comment below to introduce yourself. Are you ready to become a rainmaking real estate investor by mastering sales funnels, traffic, social media, and automation? You can visit chadlauer.com and watch my free case study video for more information.